All right, this is 24-487. Amani Warren, violation of community control, violation. Tested positive for marijuana on September 12, September 26, and October 24. You understand that charge?
Yes.
Ms. Novotny?
Your Honor, before coming into court today and discussing the probation violations with my client, she would like to waive the probable cause in the final hearing on this and plead guilty to the probation violation.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
What's your plea to the charge?
Guilty.
I'll accept your guilty plea and find you guilty. Okay, what's going on?
So basically, I haven't smoked since before the last time I saw you. Well, I haven't smoked any marijuana. I don't know why my pee is like that. I don't understand myself. I was just trying to do things the right way.
What are the possible explanations?
Well, I've been on a little health journey, and I was taking some vitamins, and it wasn't made aware to me until I was already arrested that it might cause false positives. I had my family members look them up when I was on my jail call. I didn't know. I found it on TikTok. I was just scrolling through TikTok, and I was taking some ashwagandha. I was taking some fenugreek, some pre and probiotics, and
So what discussion did you have with Ms. Crook when you tested positive the first time?
I told her I wasn't smoking and that maybe it would be the secondhand smoke, so I started
It's not secondhand smoke. Don't try that, because it just doesn't happen. It's not true. And if it were true, why are you hanging around people that smoke pot?
So then I stopped.
Huh?
I stopped like being around it. I didn't know if that would like cause it or anything, but
Doesn't cause it, okay? Doesn't cause it. You're not testing positive for marijuana by taking vitamins, okay?
it's a
Now, did you get the evaluation I told you to get back in August?
No, I was going to get it with my paycheck this week. I told my PO that I couldn't afford it beforehand because my job fell through because of my background check. So when I finally got a job and started working, I told her what day I got paid and when I would get it. I got on health insurance. My child's father put me on his health insurance, but the open enrollment wouldn't allow me on there until January.
You are 25.
Yes.
You have no record until you got this.
Yes.
Are you bound and determined to get more of a record, or do you want to get your shit together and
No,
stop screwing around?
I took what you said very seriously.
Okay, no, you didn't because you're smoking pot. Don't tell me you weren't smoking pot.
I am not.
Okay, I mean, you go to the point where you admit you're hanging around people who smoke pot, which tells me you're smoking pot. So knock off the shit, okay? Do you want to get how old's your daughter? She's going to be 1 year old in 9 days, as I understand. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, would you rather be sitting in jail on her birthday, or would you rather be with your daughter living your life on her birthday?
I want to be with her.
Okay, then quit screwing around. Now, Ms. Novotny tells me you want to do an IOP. What IOP?
In Cleveland,
What? Where?
preferably, because my car broke down. It's easier for me to get there.
Where?
Signature Health?
Have you gone there yet?
No. I couldn't afford it before because I didn't have health insurance.
Did she ever tell you that, Jamie?
Yes, we had talked about that. It still said after that first positive that she needed to be getting that done. We had that conversation again after the second positive screen on October 10th.
So is it true that unless somebody has health insurance, they can't get drug treatment? Is that your experience?
No, they can still
Okay.
get things done.
So you don't need health insurance.
I know,
That's-
but when I went to check the prices, and I told my PO, I even went to the hospitals, the university hospitals, I just couldn't afford it, so I was waiting for my first check, which was Friday.
Okay. Well, there's places that, aren't there places that provide treatment for people who can't afford it?
They can do sliding scales.
I mean, I would think all the money that we throw at these agencies, there should be provisions for that. I just don't think you wanted to do it because you just didn't feel like doing it.
That's not true.
Okay, well, then prove that it's not true. Because right now, the overwhelming evidence is that it is true. The overwhelming evidence is that you're smoking pot. And unless you get your act together, nothing is ever gonna change, and I'll be sure to see you again. And then, I don't know where your daughter will go while you're in jail. Where will your daughter go if you're in jail?
I don't know, with my mom, with his mom, with him.
Is that what's best for your daughter?
No,
Why don't you do what's best for your daughter and not what's best for you,
I'm trying.
okay? Well, you're not trying hard enough. I mean, I would have thought that somebody who doesn't have a record and picks up a felony at age 25 that would be like a slap upside the head to figure out, I better be doing what I'm supposed to be doing and not whatever I feel like doing at any given time. That's what I would think. All right, I'm gonna keep you on community control, 5 days in jail with credit for 5. Go to the IOP, complete the IOP, follow the recommendations. No drugs or alcohol with screens, and you know the screens will tell when you're using drugs. You know that now, right? Full employment, pay the costs and fees. You understand everything?
Yes.
You should, because it's exactly what I told you to do before. Okay? So, no more funny vitamins, no more people that are smoking pot, and stop smoking pot. That's it.